All right, I just want to show you how to enroll in a course that Agent Universe is offering with Travel Leaders Network. So once you're logged into Agent Universe, choose Training and Events, and then you're going to see the Education Calendar. Then from there, it's going to pull up the entire month's worth of calendar and all the trainings that they have. So let's look at tomorrow, for example. Then when you click on the link, it's going to show you a little bit more about that course. If you click on More Info, it'll take you directly to that specific course. As you can see, I don't have any sessions scheduled, so I'll just choose sessions. Shows me what I have for tomorrow available, so I choose enroll. Okay, you have successfully been enrolled. Now I can add it to my calendar, or I can also, as I go throughout the month, and go ahead and register for these. When you're in Agent Universe, if you go ahead and click on the library, then you will see this new page here for Travel Leaders Network. And then if you click on your calendar, it'll show you your scheduled events for the remainder of the month. And when you click on that, it's going to give you more information about tomorrow. Okay, so that's just a quick way to go ahead and enroll in the courses that Travel Leaders Network gives us through Agent Universe.